The cow and buffalo were arm wrestling when they saw a mango. They both rushed to grab it, pushing each other. While they were busy, a playful puppy came by and took the mango away.
You what?
They looked at each other,
Hold it right there!
then quickly ran after it. The cub froze in fear after seeing a gigantic elephant. His mother rushed in, grabbed him, and quickly ran away.
Get out of here!
What the hell? Oh my God!
The giant elephant pushed the bridge, making the cub slip, but just in time, a hippo rushed in and caught him safely.
Okay.
Please save my mom!
Don't worry, kid. We will find and save your mom.
Here the cow and buffalo still chasing the puppy, but he accidentally fell below and fell on the tiger safely, but they took it.
Oh no! Puppy got caught because of us. We have to help him.
Oh, come on! What? I'm coming for you!
Realizing they got tricked by the cow,
You what?
both tiger and giant lion chased them.
Oh, help! Oh, help!
Because of sudden brake, their tractor hit the tree. Everyone was safe,
Hey, are you guys all right?
but the cow got stuck under.
What the hell? Oh my God!
Gorilla saw the cow got stuck and he immediately rushed to lift the tractor and free the cow.
Please help, my friends are being chased by the giant elephant. That way.
You what?
Okay, I will call for the help. Don't worry. I need your help. A giant elephant is attacking us. right there!
You what?
I need help!
Come here, Mom! Oh, come on!
Get out of here!
Oh my God!
Hey, you! Thanks for the help, mister.
I'm glad to help.
Sorry, we failed this time, boss.
All right then.
Hurry, Leo. I heard someone is coming this way.
A few minutes later.
Huh?
You what? Bruh. No, God! Oh, come on! Ah!
Oh
no!
Back off right now.
Okay.
Come here, Mom! I'm coming for you!
Nani? What the hell?
No more trouble again.
Oh, come on!
What is that thing? Oh no! It's heading toward the forest. There are so many animals in there.
Oh my God!
Hey, cow, bring some help. I will slow down that beast.
Oh, come on!
Not a chance. You're not getting away.
I'm joking! Stop! Oh, come on! Oh my God! Hey!
Is that you, buddy? What happened to you back then? You go and bring some help. I will chase him.
Hey, yo, what the?
Hey, you!
Stop! Stop! Come here, Ma! What the hell? Hey, you! Stop! Stop!